Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of glucose. In this video, we'll explore the complex series of reactions that make photosynthesis possible. Photosynthesis takes place inside organelles called chloroplasts, which are found in the cells of plants and algae. These tiny structures contain the chlorophyll pigment, which absorbs light energy and sets off a series of reactions that ultimately result in the creation of glucose. The first stage of photosynthesis is called the light-dependent reactions. In this stage, light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll pigment in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. This sets off a chain of reactions that ultimately result in the creation of ATP, a molecule that provides energy for the plant to use in later stages of photosynthesis. The light-dependent reactions involve a process called electron transport, in which electrons and protons are shuttled back and forth across the thylakoid membrane. This process generates a flow of energy that is used to create ATP and another molecule called NADPH, which will be used in the next stage of photosynthesis. The second stage of photosynthesis is called the Calvin cycle. In this stage, the ATP and NADPH generated in the light-dependent reactions are used to power a series of chemical reactions that convert carbon dioxide into glucose. The Calvin cycle is a complex series of reactions that involve a number of enzymes and other molecules. Carbon dioxide is fixed into organic molecules, and energy from ATP and NADPH is used to power the synthesis of glucose. While photosynthesis is a highly efficient process, there are some conditions that can lead to a phenomenon called photorespiration. This occurs when oxygen levels are high and carbon dioxide levels are low, which can happen in certain environmental conditions. To combat photorespiration, some plants have evolved different mechanisms for photosynthesis. C3 plants, which are the most common type of plant, are the most susceptible to photorespiration. C4 plants and CAM plants have evolved special pathways to minimize photorespiration and maximize the efficiency of photosynthesis. And that's the basics of photosynthesis. It's a complex process, but one that is essential for life on Earth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.